What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So I was sitting around looking at the GoPro Hero 10 and I started thinking about my GoPro Hero 5. I saw some of the features on the GoPro Hero 10 and I was like, you know what, maybe I should upgrade to the Hero 10. But then I thought about it. I said, you know what? Nope. My GoPro Hero 5 is still rocking to this day and it is still performing to this day, and I am still loving my GoPro Hero 5. So I feel like there's no need to upgrade from the 5 to the 10. You know, I live by the motto, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So for instance, I'm recording this whole video right now on an iPhone 8 Plus. I do have a 10, a 12, and so forth and so on. But I know that I can still create a decent video with an 8 Plus. So if it's not broke, don't fix it. And in this case, I feel like with my GoPro Hero 5, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So what I want to do for you guys in this video today is just show you guys another way that you can use your GoPro Hero 5 to get your footprint that much smaller as far as the compactness of this GoPro. We know that typically, you know, when you put your GoPro in a housing and things like that, you connect your microphone, you probably have a shotgun mic with a whole little wind muff and things like that. But in this video today, I have 3 wireless microphone systems that I'm going to be connecting to this GoPro Hero 5. And what this will ultimately do is show you guys how you can use your GoPro as far as the wireless microphone system goes, show you how to attach it, show you what it's going to look like, as well as show you footage from this GoPro Hero 5. And this can also help you make a decision on which GoPro you should invest in, whether that be a 5 all the way up to a 10. At least you can see the footage now and you can see what wireless microphones look like and what the setup will actually look like for you. So with these, we'll just go ahead and attach every single one of the wireless microphone systems. We'll do a quick little vlog test with a little bit of video quality test so you guys can see what the video quality will look like as well as what the audio quality would sound like with the wireless microphone connected to your GoPro of choice. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, so I have everything that you are going to need to get your GoPro up and running with these wireless microphone systems. Right here I have the Foldtree wireless microphone system, the Mayono, and the Yalangu. So I'm gonna show you guys how to just kind of put this together, show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we'll do a audio and video test as well of each one of these. So first and foremost, you get your trusty little tripod. This is just a Ulanzi housing with a Ulanzi tripod right here. You'll take your microphone cable, plug that into the GoPro just like this, and all you would do is take your receiver, let's just say the Yalangu first because it's the biggest one, and you would put it right here on the top, and then you would plug this in right there. So this is what the Yalangu will look like with a GoPro Hero 5, and this is a very small footprint for you guys to see. It stands up just like that. It's very small, very compact. And all you would do is clip this onto your belt and run a lapel mic, which would work better than just having this sitting on your actual shirt. I think the lapel mic with the Yalangu would be better because the Yalangu is actually bigger than any of the other ones. So I think a lapel mic would work better for the Yalangu. But this is what it looks like right here. As you can see, very small, very sleek, and very compact. So let's go ahead and take this one off, and then we're going to outfit each one real quick, and then we'll get into that actual audio and video test. So moving into the Mayono as well, you just open it up, slide it into the top of the GoPro housing just like that, and you would just go ahead and plug this in right here in the back, and this is what it will look like. Now I do like the Mayono. I like the way it fits, and I also like the fact that the cable dips down in the back. So when you're looking at it from the front this way, all the cables are in the back. So this is what that one will look like right here. You can set these up however you like, but in this case I just wanted to show you guys what this one would look like as well, and just standing this up too so you guys can see. It's a very small footprint, very small footprint, very nice and compact. Let's move over to the Foldtree. So the only one that's going to be a little bit different is going to be the Foldtree. You'll plug the Foldtree one in just like this. And the only reason why I feel like the Foldtree is a little bit different is because if you clip it to the top right here, it just slides right out. So what I found is that you take this and clip it to the actual tripod itself, and this is what it will look like. And because the actual transmitter is very small and it doesn't use a lapel, you can just put this on your shirt and you'll be good to go. But this is what that one will look like right here. So all you do is just go ahead and clip it to the actual tripod itself, and that's what the footprint will look like right here. So I think it's a good look, and I think it will work. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take these outside, and we'll do a audio test with all of these, as well as check out the video quality of the GoPro Hero 5. All right, you guys. So I'm out here in the backyard right now using the wireless microphone system. This is the Mayono one, and got some kids out here. I don't know why they're not in school. I got a huge dog over there barking. The clouds is out, it's raining. And I just want you guys to get some of this footage of this GoPro. It's a car going. I want you guys to be able to see what this GoPro can still produce, and see what it sounds like to have a wireless microphone system hooked up to it. So I'm just scrolling around my backyard because it's been raining here in Georgia continuously for like the past week, man. So I'm not going too far out. I just probably keep it local like this. But we're not doing like a range test or anything. This is just an audio test, and to let you guys see that this GoPro can continue to produce good footage no matter what version it is. This is a GoPro Hero 5. But one thing I want you guys to take note of about this GoPro Hero 5 is that it still shoots at 4K 30. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, man. Another thing too that I didn't show you guys earlier on in the video was the fact that you can still outfit this GoPro. Even if you're not concerned with how big the footprint becomes, you can throw lights and things like that and still attach these wireless microphone systems to the GoPro, and it will still perform really well. So right now I'm shooting this at 1080, 60 frames per second. I'm not shooting 4K. This is at I think it's the linear field of view, because that linear field of view gives you that, I guess that 16:9 look instead of that ultra wide or whatever the case. But take a look at some of these colors. My backyard is not clean right now. Sorry about that. One of my kids got a ball down here. Hopefully you guys can see that, but take a look at that color down here. But yeah, this is just a quick, vlog test of the Mayono system on top of the GoPro Hero 5, so you guys can get a sense of the audio and get a sense of, what this video looks like coming from the GoPro. So we're gonna switch over to the next audio system. All right, you guys, so once again, I'm in the backyard, and this is with the Yolanga wireless microphone system. Still shooting at 1080 at 60. I haven't changed any of these settings on the actual camera. Hopefully this is giving you guys a good representation of what the audio sounds like and the video sounds like coming from the GoPro Hero 5. Like I said, this is the Yolanga wireless microphone system. And one of the things I think is good about having a wireless microphone system is that you can just run a lapel mic just like I have right here. With the Mayono, I use the lapel mic, and with this Yolanga, I'm using a lapel mic. But when we switch over to the Fotri here shortly, it will not be a lapel mic. It will just be strictly coming from the actual transmitter. So I want you guys to see what it sounds like, see what this video quality is looking like coming from a GoPro, at least coming from the GoPro Hero 5, being that we are now on the GoPro 10, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I feel like when they made this GoPro, they future-proofed it, because this GoPro can shoot 4K 30. And because it can shoot 4K 30, I think that was like them, trying to pack a lot into this camera, in which they actually did. And that's one of the main reasons why I feel like you can still get by with a GoPro Hero 5. I don't think that you have to go up to the 6 or the 10 or the 8 or whatever the case it is. I think you can still get by with a GoPro Hero 5. If you go back and check around on the channel, there's videos where some of the videos were shot on this channel with just this GoPro, with some lights and things like that. And I feel like as long as you get the lighting right, as long as you understand the settings and the features and the functions of this GoPro, I think you'll be fine. One other positive thing about wearing a wireless microphone with a GoPro is the fact that this GoPro has those voice commands. So it's easy for me to, tell this GoPro, I need you to record and things like that. So that way you can always know that you're recording, and you don't have to worry about pressing the button. You can just, do it that easy and that seamless from the wireless microphone system. So with that being said, let's go ahead and switch over to the Fotri. So for the final test, this is the Fotri wireless microphone system. We're still using the GoPro Hero 5. We are at 1080 at 60 frames a second. The ISO is set to the lowest, which is about 400. And we have the shutter on auto.
I figured I'd go ahead and let you guys know that, so when you're seeing certain changes in the video and things like that, you'll know that those were really the only two settings that was changed. Is that we keeping the ISO at the lowest possible, which is 400, and the shutter is on auto. So everything you getting out of this GoPro is within those little parameters right there. But let me know what you guys think of this audio, as well as all the other audio systems that we've tried with the GoPro. Let me know which one was your favorite by far. Also, let me know what you guys think of this actual video quality. Keep in mind, this is 1080 at 60. This GoPro Hero 5 does shoot 4K at 30, but we're going to do this at 1080 60 because, you know, if it can do 1080 60, then we know it can do 1080. I mean, we know it can do 4K 30. So let me know what you guys think. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know how you guys are enjoying the videos on the channel. Let me know what you guys think of, you know, what we got going on here on the channel, man. I really would appreciate that. And this is what it sounds like with the 4True wireless microphone system. One thing to note about this microphone system, I put a link, cards and stuff like that on the screen for all these systems, but the one thing to note about this one is that you can't plug a lapel mic in, so just keep that in mind if you do decide to go with something like this. To me personally, I feel like the Mayono one is a little bit more compact. I feel like it's just a little bit more compact, and it looks a little bit more suited to fit on top of this actual housing for the GoPro, but that's just my opinion. But you guys let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys think about, you know, putting like extra accessories on it as far as the light goes with the wireless microphone system and things like that. But anyway, we're going to wrap this video up right here. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. If you did enjoy this video or learn anything from this video, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. And it's been your man Jay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.